Hi, my boy. You want to go check this out now? I'm going to go check it out. The idol. Oh. That's it.
I'll do it on my bike, you do it on yours?
No.
That was a good video, man. See, it's a little bit better. It can come up just a hair. Let it warm up for a minute.
Okay. We got it back, baby. She looks clean, bro. She looks clean. New headers, new bars. Did some maintenance on the forks. Now that joint sounds like a straight gangster.
Choke off.
You want to drop the choke?
Yeah. Is that all the way off?
Yep.
Like when you get home, you might have to play with it a little more, but
okay.
I like that.
I like the way, I like it. It sounds good right now.
When it starts to chop,
yeah.
Lower and it's going to stall.
Gotcha.
But to your knowledge, this doesn't have a cam in it, right?
To my knowledge, no. Hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
Where do you want to eat?
Food, I don't care.
Okay, so you take the lead on food, because I don't have any GPS.
Do you want to go back towards Tampa? Any more back towards Tampa?
Yeah.
The Cracker Barrel then.
On I-4?
When you were riding before, when you would like first hit the throttle, did it hesitate at all?
A little bit.
That was that accelerator pump.
Ah, okay.
What that does is when you first hit the throttle, it gives it a squirt of gas.
Ah.
Until the carburetor can catch up, and then that Venturi effect takes over.
Right.
So if it had a little hesitation when you first hit it,
yeah,
that was from that pump.
Ah.
So that should feel a lot more crisp now.
Hell yeah, my boy. Woo-wee. Thanks again, brother.
Oh, you got the long johns on.
All right, man. I'll see y'all. Man, haven't ridden a bike with apes in a hot minute. Have to rock these handlebars back just a little bit, and in doing so it'll probably adjust the controls. Feels good to have her back though. Oh man. Man, she feels like $1,000,000. So I don't know if you were able to hear earlier, but he was adjusting the idle. And man, the work he did on the forks makes a world of difference. While we were there, we also got our pads done, a brake job, front and rear. Got the fork maintenance done. Serviced the carburetor. Basically rebuilt the carburetor. New headers, new bars, cables. wiring, the whole nine. And I tell you what, it feels like a brand new bike. No turn on red. I tell you what, taking those bumps did not feel bad at all compared to the last time we rode it up here. No bottoming them out. He ended up putting, I think, 15 weight fork oil up front, and so far it feels great. The rebound isn't as harsh or as severe as it was before. Of course, it didn't have oil before, but even on other bikes that I've had, you know, it's a nice rebound. It almost feels like a Cadillac. Super happy to have my Road King back. So we're leaving Winter Haven now, headed back towards Tampa, headed back towards home, and we're actually going to stop, grab some chow at Cracker Barrel, but also we are going to take some pictures of the Road King down by the Tampa Theater. It's one of the iconic Tampa landmarks. Beautiful. So when we get on scene, I'll definitely let you guys in on my settings on my camera, what I'm shooting. We'll try to have a behind the scenes. I'll see if Autumn can snag some pictures. We made it. Really? Is the truck still open? I'm gonna drop my helmet in there. And my gizzle prizzle.
Catching or something.
Well, I was riding with my clutch in, so that's why I was like, come on, Jack.
3 hours later.
What's poppin'? Hey, what's up, everybody? If you had the time to check it out, cool. I just want to give you guys a real quick update. So we picked up the Road King, got the bars done, got a new engine guard up, new headers. She is looking lovely. And we were in Winter Haven, which is about an hour from Tampa, hour and a half. Made it all the way to get some chow. We stopped at Cracker Barrel, came back, and decided to want to stop by downtown Tampa to get some pictures. So I had this one side in mind, was at the Tampa Theater over on Franklin Street, downtown. And then I missed my exit, and thank God I did. So we get back on the highway, or had to do a little loop-de-loop. We're coming up, and the bike shut off. So I immediately was like, oh, maybe I'm out of fuel. So I hit the reserve on the petcock, and that wasn't it. Then next thing you know, smoke is billowing from everywhere. I pull over in the shoulder, and thank God we were able to pull off in a safe area, be safe. And this is my current situation. But nothing to fear. Misfit Cycle Shop is on the way. Talked to Brad. He's going to pick it up. Looks like I'm going to need a new starter. What probably happened was we switched out these chrome housings right here with these buttons. And I decided to save some money and go a really cheap aftermarket. But that's what you get when you go cheap. So what happened, when I started the bike, the ignition stuck with the ignition switch and it burned out my starter. Again, thank goodness that we were able to pull off on the side of the road. We're not a big target on the highway. Like literally on the on-ramp. So just want to give everybody an update, and we're gonna get the Road King back on the road here soon. You know, delays are not denials. All right, y'all. Peace.